Alright everyone, welcome back to the channel. Well, I'm going to show you how crappy it is outside. So, even though I'm driving in a parking lot, but I'm going to unbury my wife's truck. So, this is what it looks like right now. I got the big heavy machinery out cleaning everything. So, yeah, this is... Everyone's gonna say, oh, it's not that bad. Yeah, you're not driving it. As soon as you get to an open area, you're gonna see how bad it really is. The wind's whipping around. It's only 4 degrees. So there's a big front loader cleaning everything up. Right now I got the building, kind of protecting the area from all the snow and the wind. Over here it looks nice and clear, but as soon as you get to this, you're going to start seeing it's not good. I mean, everything in the mall is closed, and it's kind of to be expected. But everything else in the mall is closed. I mean, there's only 4 stores that are open right now. Now I'm heading over to Sears because that's where my wife works. And as you can see, it is a complete whiteout. It's bad. So you can't even really see where you're going. And this is what it's like right now, driving. It is an absolute whiteout. You can't see a damn thing. I can't even see where I'm going. Like, I have to wait for this wind to die down for a second. And this is how bad it is. I mean, I'll drive into something. I mean, this is crazy. But this is Buffalo, New York. We're used to this. This is no big deal. So I'm just gonna kind of follow along where I know there's a curb. This is the movie theater. There's actually 2 cars here. I think they're the employees. Why they're even open, I have yet to figure out. They shouldn't even be open at all. I mean, I can't see nothing. I mean, it looks clear on my phone. It's not. Believe me when I say it. It's crappy. Like, the trees look nice and clear on my camera, but, my eyes physically looking at this, no. This is not good at all. My windows keep freezing up. And I can't see anything. I mean, this is not good at all. I mean, the heat's going in the truck, but everything is just covered in snow. I gotta find a curb here, or at least something in the mall, so I can get over to where my wife's truck is and bury it. And I'm not worried about her getting stuck because she has a 4-wheel drive truck like I do. But this snow is just not stopping. And unfortunately, we live by Lake Erie, and the lake is basically about a mile from me. This is okay. I can't see a damn thing. I'm gonna end this video here because I'm gonna need 2 hands to drive and I can't see anything. So anybody, if you're out driving in this, get home, stay home, don't go anywhere, stay safe, and I'll let you guys know when I get home.